Does he see me? Where is he? He don't see me. There he is. He's trying to shoot. Stop shooting! Ah! Don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't you shoot me, don't you shoot me. Ah, I died! No! I had a knife and everything. I literally had a knife, I was gonna kill him. Wow. I literally died. That sucks. Okay. Okay, nothing even in there. Why? Why not? Why was there nothing even? Metal. Not what I wanted. Metal again. Not what I wanted anyway. I have something gunpowder. Not what I wanted either. No, 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 don't follow me. Okay, good, he's not following me. I don't want that dude following me. He's gonna kill me again. I don't want to die. Okay, stone. Also not what I wanted. And I craft another knife. Great. Where's this guy at? I'm gonna kill him. Hurt him. Where'd he go? Where is he? I saw him. Oh, he's up there. Hey, bro. Ugh! You're not killing me again. I will live. I'm not going to die. And I got nothing even in there from that. I craft a hammer. Okay. Why am I crafting stuff? I don't want to craft anything. I want to break out. Okay, finally I got something else that's good. A rope. Now I'm actually out of here. I want to go find out where this new space is for the jet and the helicopter and the jetpack. That's what I really want to find out where it is. I don't know where it is though, but I want to find out where it is. Dude, leave me alone, bro. Dude, why is that locked? Guess I'm not gonna escape that way. I'll have to escape a different way. Because literally those cops are literally there. So I gotta escape a different way. Let's see if I can get rope again. I don't really know if I will. But let's see if I can get rope again. Nope, no, that's wood. That's not what I wanted. In here? No, not metal either. Thank you. No, nothing in there, I guess. Not what I wanted. See if I can, break out. Anything in here? Oh yeah, there we go. Whoa. Got it again. Okay. Now, what I do really want is I want to get out of here, escape, like no one sees me anymore. Gonna go find out where this new base is and get out of here. I am out. Oh, let's go find out where the new, where the jets are and the helicopter and the jetpack is. I don't know where those are. I think they're somewhere.
Okay.
Let's see.
We're double checking it.
Oh, yes, this is good. This is also good. This is open. We can rob that. It is open right now, so, oh no, there are guns. I don't have any guns, so I might die. And I might. I do not know if I will or not.
Dad, let your brother know that we're going grocery shopping first.
Okay. Let's see. Someone came in the building. Just tell me that's a bad guy. Is that? Okay, good. That's a bad guy. He's one of my teams, so that is good. That he is on my team. Dude, you have a weapon? No, wait. You were the guy that's at the prison. You just broke out, so you don't have a weapon. Oh man. Go, 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 go. Get out of here. One. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Gotta get out of here. Go, 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 go. Bye, cops. See you later. Never gonna catch me. Never gonna catch me. You're never gonna catch me. Wow, that kinda actually hurt. Why? Need some weapons. That's what I need. And my suit. My dress up. Let's get in my TV. Yeah.